I think I can solve a dilemma. I've been torn between, do we die and go to sleep, waiting on the last day, or do we, when we die, we go straight before? It has to be before judgment, because you can't go to heaven without being judged. In 1 Corinthians, Paul shows us that if you make it through the fire unscathed, you shall be saved. If you go through the fire unscathed and come out the other end, you're saved. But if some shall burn up, and your soul should still be saved. And then lastly, if you defile the temple of the Holy Spirit, which you are, then he will destroy you. So, you got untouched, and you got burned up a little bit. I guess some purities you need to be purified of the impurities further, but yet still be saved. But then you got the defiling. If you defile the temple, this is 1 Corinthians 3, I believe, or 4. Anyway, so every man's got to give an account for everything he's done. That's before the judgment seat. So either you go before the Lord in judgment, or you sleep. But check this out. This can solve both dilemmas. Well, maybe not both dilemmas, but the dilemma. What if, when you die and you go into eternity where you'll be judged, and the rest of the world continues to go because it's still in time and space, but you're out of time and space? What if you get transported directly to the end day? I mean, God can do that, right? While everybody else is still in the world, within that time and space, but you are transported to when everybody's done and judged, right? That you may be judged, give an account, along with everybody else. So that's what I come to, and I can put stock in that. It says the dead knows nothing. It says you shall all sleep. Well, not all. What does it say? Anyway, you should sleep. You shall sleep. Anyway, so there we have it. I can put stock in that, like I said, because God cannot lie. So you have to be judged before you can enter into heaven. That's what judgment is for. That's what the books are open for. The books are going to be open, and you're either going to be written in the Lamb's book of life, or you're not. But yeah. I mean, either way, whether we live or we die, we are the Lord's. That's the whole thing. If you're going to be in Him now. And in the end, it won't matter when you go before Him. Like, if you sleep, fine. I won't even know. I'll be asleep. I won't know nothing. People will sleep. When I go to bed at night, I don't know nothing. I could have died, for all I know. It's not until I wake up that I know I'm alive, or until and if I wake up in heaven, then I'll know, but, or I go directly, I don't even go to sleep. It looks like I die, but I don't. I just go straight up. My spirit leaves my body and goes straight up, therefore leaving the body dead. Either way, I am the Lord's. I am in him now, and I am in him forever. I am in him. I am a son because I have the Holy Spirit. God's love shed abroad in the hearts of those that believe Jesus, believe in Jesus, believe God. So I am the Lord's, no matter what. But let us not worry about, surely let's not worry about when we go before him. Just for such a time as this, be ready. He's coming for a ready church. And those who are ready will have his Holy Spirit, his Spirit within him. Romans 8, right? You know that you're sons of God because you have his Spirit. And you will know him because his Spirit will be a witness to your spirit as like a mirror on the face of the one looking back at it. With that, I waste enough of your time on this. I mean, it's a secondary thing. It's not like, it's just something we can ponder on. But hey, like I said, we're his. That's all that we need to know.